Hello, I'm Mark Hayes and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. Today's walk around video is this absolutely stunning Panther Black 1.4 diesel Ford Fiesta. There's no marks on any of the alloys, all the tyres are in fantastic condition. It's got reverse parking sensors, tinted glass throughout, absolutely phenomenal fuel economy and an absolutely perfect full Ford service history. It's all been done with us here, so it's a local owned car. Our last serviced, as you can see there, the 1st of October. Isofix child seat anchor points in the back, 12 volt power supply, USB connectivity, 5-speed gearbox, air conditioning, heated front windscreen, steering wheel controls, CD radio auxiliary so you can stream your music, and sound and menu functions. Pop along to see it, folks, with a full Ford service history. Been prepared by Ford main dealer technicians. New discs and pads on the front. Come down and see it. It's one in a million, this one, folks. Absolutely stunning car with the stunning full Ford service history. Great aftercare service which is award winning. Thanks for watching, see you soon.